Hi, my name is Bill Morrow, and if you're watching this video, you're probably looking for something related to internet marketing, starting a business online, or affiliate marketing. Any of those things. Well, you've come to exactly the right place. It has taken me many years to find this program, the one that I'm now using myself, and how to run the system and how easy it is to get started when you have the correct guidance. So many years I've been just mucking around, spending a lot of money, wasting time all the time. But eventually I found it, and this is it. And the program itself is called the Internet Marketer, the Invincible Internet Marketer, and here it is. This is the Invincible Marketer, and here's the man who set the whole thing up, Aaron Chen. So all we got to do is, the secrets of internet marketing is very simple. First of all, affiliate marketing is one of the best things to set up on. If you're setting up a business in this sort of climate now, perfect, working from home with all of these facilities, all you've got to do is to set this up and you get the complete training, everything all done by video. So you simply watch the video and then you repeat what you've seen in the video, and then you take action exactly as it says there. If you make a mistake, you simply go back and have a go again and get started. So from that point of view, it is the ideal system to set up. And once it's set up, secret number 2, all you got to do is to bring customers into it, and you're shown exactly how to do that, and then up it goes, and the sky's the limit. And it simply becomes an online business. Now, the final thing is, you must have the right system. You can't just bash any old thing in there, as many of us have tried over the years. It won't work. You have to have the correct system. And the Invincible Marketer is the correct system, which is what I am using now. I have gone all through the whole thing, and I'm using it now, and it's working. So all I can say to you is, yes, you have arrived at the correct place. This is exactly what you've been looking for. Now, down in the description box, you'll find the link. Go to that link, and then you'll get the additional information that you need to get started on this system. And I can tell you, it is a system that